every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Alright, y'all, good morning. So, I'm finna get ready to go host this event really quick. I'm just gonna do my skincare. It's 10 o'clock. The event starts at 11. So I don't really have to be there until like 10:45, but I'm finna do my skincare real quick. And get my butt on this road. Starting with my little Medicube Zero Pore Pads. Come with this little thing, and I just wipe my face, of course, after skincare. This is post cleansing, y'all. Already washed. So I'm just gonna boom, boom, boom. And I think I'm gonna throw some lashes and nails on today. I don't know. Cause I do have one of my good girlfriends. It's her birthday. Her birthday was actually yesterday. I don't know why I didn't have baby birthday saved in my calendar, but I'm gonna make sure I do that. And today is her birthday dinner, and I did not know that. I thought her birthday dinner was on the 25th of October because that's when I had it saved in my calendar. And I had that because she's turning 25, so I put her birthday dinner on the 25th. And it's actually today. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out because that wasn't part of my day. Put my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer on. And I'm gonna do a little makeup with my tinted, and some lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my e.l.f. This is the Super Grip spray. I like to put it on a little bit on before and after I have put my makeup on. So we're just gonna, cause I feel like it locks in things, right? So it locks. I put them on after my moisturizer. Typically, I don't do that every single time, but when I do makeup, I want to seal in my moisturizer, my prep. So yeah. I am gonna throw on some lashes because how my hair is, which is not like a way, it's just not like my favorite. So I'm gonna put me some lashes on really quickly. Shouldn't take me long. I still want to be out the house by no later than, let's see, I actually need to see, shoot, everything so far, how long it takes to get there from here. Oh, it's a way, let me see if I can do that. It's a way you can put in your map and set for where you want to be. And you can put your arrive by time. I'm gonna put 10:45. Apply. And it's gonna tell you what time you. I can't show y'all because it's gonna show my address. But if you go on your map and let me see, how do I cancel it out? Mount Vernon Baptist Church. That's where I'm going because y'all want to see this till after. So, oh. Y'all see that? Wait a minute, it's backwards for y'all. But at the bottom of your map, oh shoot, I'm in FanDuel, child. Bottom of your map, it says now. Click that now button, and then it's gonna show you this. And you're gonna change to arrive by and what time you want to be at that location. I want to be there at least by 10:45. Hit apply, and it's gonna tell you should leave at such and such time to get there at such and such time. Alright. So at the latest I have to leave by 10:21. Set an alarm for 10:20 a.m. Okay, so I set alarm for 10:20. It is 10:04, so I have about 15 minutes to do my lashes, do my press-ons, and get my ass in the car. Okay, so not gonna be a whole lot of talking. Let's just get to work. Oh Lord, I don't got all the lashes I want. Let me see. Okay. Dang, no more 14s. Baby, when in doubt, open another pack. Alright, I got some 14s over here. Yeah, I like 14s. 14, 15s, and 15, 14, 13s is what I like to do my lashes with. Okay, what's going on? I really need that extra light right here because I can't see a darn thing. Good God. Sometimes, yeah, we need a little extra help. Okay. That helped so much. So I like to do essentially 3 14s, and then the rest of my eyes be 13s. Sometimes I'll do 2 15s, 2 14s, and 3 13s. Like it just kind of, it depends.
You must go in, right? Okay, big girl, that's what I was calling you for. They say hit me like a ton of bricks. And I ain't in no position right now to really have it on my mind. So, you know, I call you down.
Okay, okay. I like that. Nah.
I hope it worked out for you. I hope that shit was big. I see it being big. That's a lottery ticket.
Yeah, I can see that. I don't know if I told you. I don't know who I was talking to. Maybe it was Nisha, but for my next content creator. Oh Lord. Alright, y'all. Life been lifing real bad without my DJI. I'm really sad because I don't have her. I gotta get going because my girlfriend's birthday dinner is literally about to start. So I'm gonna try my little outfit idea on and see if it gives. This is a 2-piece. Before I try my dress, it's like cocktail style. That's the wardrobe she. Oh, I don't know what the problem was, but this fits cute. This does definitely give cocktail.
I thought I was grown, I ain't never watched my tone. I would cry over these niggas, but a bitch never alone.
Okay, I just wanted y'all to. This be me on the way to everywhere. And I guess we're gonna be doing long form content until my DJI comes back because yeah, and hopefully I have enough short form content to last until then. I should though, because I got a lot of like Mexico content to get out. I still got the Creators Corner event and the Creators Corner weekly content, and I can do stuff on my phone. So yeah, just something about filming on this like vertical is just so fucking awkward and stupid. It just don't give. This is not my short form camera. I don't like to use it for that. I like to use this for my long form, mainly my sit down long form. Like this, my in the house camera. This is not supposed to even be outside. Her don't like this. So yeah. But we is moseying on to our destination. I don't know if this is a venue. I think it's a venue that I'm going to. Because I do know my girlfriend stays out this way. She's in a different part of Tennessee. I might have told y'all where I was going. I'm not sure. I don't know if she's comfortable with me even. I mean, she gonna be on here, so you will see her. But, I mean, maybe. I don't know, child. But I just don't know if she's gonna be comfortable with, like, me stating what city she stays in Tennessee or not. Of course I would never say like the location we at, whether it's a house or a club or wherever. I mean, if it's a club, maybe, or a venue, maybe, but her house, hell no, I would never do that. But yeah, I'm just driving on the back roads, y'all. I'm still 20 minutes away from my destination, so I don't know, but this is not like honestly a bad drive. It was 54 minutes away. I'm 20 minutes away now, so I've been driving 34 minutes. I would stay this far away from the city and just drive in to go do stuff. I don't mind. I like stuff like this because I feel like it separates you from people so much to where like when you stay out here, like you're at home and it's peaceful. It feels like resort, separated country cabin life, which I like, country cabin life. But then close enough to the city, like, and then, you know, to go to the city and have city life. Like, that's how I want to live anyway when I purchase my home. No matter where I live, that's how I want it. I hope y'all can hear me, all that air. But no matter where I live, that's how I want to live. I want to be on the outskirts of whatever that big city is, like, to where it kind of look boondocky, like cabiny, woodsy, country-ish. Yeah, I want to live that far. But I still do need, like, a grocery store to be in close distance, though, kind of. Because I'm one of them late night, forgot something at the store type of people. I need like a Walmart or a Sam's Club or something, Costco, something. Need to be within 15 minutes for me. And so far since I've been out here, I don't think it's one right here. It might have been one off the exit the other way, which would be about 15-20 minutes. But so far it's just country living, looks like. Yeah, I barely have any service, so I don't know how that's gonna go.
I'm bitches goes up. It be me with my skin blowing in the sun. I'm telling niggas mama raised a body. It be me just looking perfect, head to toe up. It be you out here just looking rubber hole, ayy. It be me just popping out, just looking fine. It be me looking better than all you asking about it. It be me getting back boxes every weekend. It be me looking like a snack when I'm petite, yeah. It be me that's got money shit. It be you that's looking stupid, hating ass, bitch. It be me with 50 inches to my butt, yeah. Be on my phone, talk to me like what you want, yeah. It be you out here that's stressing over niggas. I'm looking for him, he right here under my pictures. I'm turning up at the party, I'm kicking on my body. She shaking up for me, these bitches got some party. I'm turning up at the party, I'm kicking on my body. She twerking up for me, like
Oh, thank y'all so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. Your girl is getting old. I feel so old. No, just kidding. It's a blessing to be 25. I know y'all been waiting on me. So we're going to get some food. We're going to get some alcohol. We're going to turn up. Yeah. So, let's get a drink. Let's take a toast. Y'all got a cup? Everybody got a cup?
Yes.
Somebody need something to drink? I don't even have one.
Your man cannot already started.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay,
Most definitely.
Okay, so cheers to more life, to family, to love, to celebrations. I know that as like turning 25 and then just like turning all of our ages that we are going to be, it's a blessing. So we just want to thank God that we're here and that we get to do this. We get to celebrate. There's people who don't get to do what we get to do. We get to walk and breathe and talk and drink and celebrate. So cheers to that and cheers to fun and more life.
Cheers! Woo!
I'm so shocked in here. Alright, let's turn this up. Turn this up.
10 up. Fuck that, nigga. If we go to prison for the rest of our life, what they do? We go to prison, nigga. And we fight to get out this bitch.